Allô, bonjour Carl, moi c'est Marcel Lissad et c'est moi qui pourrais faire interview aujourd'hui avec vous on behalf, I mean, et sous nom Creole and Beyond. So moi bien content que ou ba mon petit temps aujourd'hui pour me parler avec vous.
Miss
Welcome.
Marcel, thank you. I'm so excited to be here. Nom c'est Karl André Valere. My name is Karl André Valere. I am the creator of DEPALE, the Haitian Party Game, or DEPALE, the Haitian card game. I'm really excited to be here.
Very good. I'm so happy to have you. So we're gonna basically jump into the question right away. So that way we can get started. Okay. The first question I have for you, what is your contribution to the Creole language? So it could be via game, it could be via teaching, it could be through what you pass on to your kids. So what is your contribution?
My goodness, a little bit of everything, all of the above. Well, especially Dipale, the Haitian party game, which is translated in Haitian Creole and English. Jouet katsa, li traduit en créole et puis en anglais. Et puis c'est un jouet pour toute famille. So that's my contribution.
Mm,
And it's a family-friendly game from the youngest to the eldest. Everybody can gather around and just celebrate Haitian Creole by playing this game. Um, yes.
very good. Very good, God. So we're gonna go into the second one, the second question. How do you think we can foster a sense of pride into our youth about the Creole language?
Uh, I think so. My wife and I have two beautiful children, 2 and 4 years old. And I think it's really important that we embrace learning together with our children.
Mhm.
So I think it's really important, vraiment important pour nous célébrer langue créole là avec ti moun nous, même si tant que moi-même, nous fait ici, et puis ou pas tellement fin fort en créole, ou bien, on fait fort,
Oui, oui.
c'est vraiment important pour apprendre ensemble avec Timounou,
Mhm.
pour yo ka, so they can have positive attitudes about Haitian Creole.
Mhm.
So it's not something to avoid or to ignore, but something to embrace. Um,
I
and so I think another thing is to have, again, just positive attitudes about Creole, not just the negative parts, like when you're
Mhm.
saying to your kids, "Pa fè ça, pa manger, chita,
Uh-huh.
yo disparaît tout devant."
Ou bien les yo
Yeah.
fâché avant, et puis Creole lan sorti.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just saying beautiful things, affirming things like mwen reme ou an pil, mwen fier de ou, mwen telman kontan ke mwèw,
Okay.
all of those things are really important too. And I think song is really important in our family. Music is really important. So whether that's Haitian music, being a vehicle for embracing Haitian Creole, nous à l'église, so the chant d'espérance is like big, and making sure
Mhm.
that our children can also see themselves, just celebrating and speaking and singing in Haitian Creole is important.
Very good. The last question. What is your advice? It kind of touch up on that one too. What is
Mhm.
your advice for parents raising bilingual kids outside of the of Haiti?
Yes, it's a great question. Yeah, in addition to what I've said about having positive attitudes and embracing and learning alongside your children, I think it's also important to just respect Haitian Creole as a strength and not a deficiency, right? It's not broken French, right? It's not a pidgin language. It is a beautiful, robust language. It be Creole Haitien Campé Jump, right? It can stand on its own feet. So I think that's the best thing, is just really shining a bright and warm light on Haitian Creole. It's a romance language, it's a love
Yeah.
language,
Mhm.
and we should celebrate it and respect it as such.
Very good, very good. Well, this conclude our interview. So, Mabdou, merci en pile, Carl. Parce que mwen on joue tako
Pareil.
vendredi, c'est qu'on joue que moun busy, mais ou kre un petit temps pour parler avec nous. So, on behalf of Creole and Beyond, merci en pile pour moment ça.
It's my pleasure, Dillian, pareil, and I'm very excited for all the work that you do, all the Haitian authors celebrating Haitian Creole. I can't wait to buy more books to read with our children. So
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you so much. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, Morris.